Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And today, I got to throw in some valves for a vanity and toilet. So stay tuned and we'll see you inside. Now the first task on my project, since they didn't listen to me, is to expose my main valve, which is right inside this wall. I already had it open once and they decided to sheetrock it anyway, like they were doing me a favor. And what I'm going to do here is cut this open because I have a ball valve right in here and make a corner piece for a little door. The only good news about this job right now is I get to use my new toy. And I got no one to thank but Mr. Rogers, our best helper that we love to have fun with. Mr. Rogers got that for the squad. Now I can turn the water off. Boop! And then what I'll do, I'll make a little door out of AZAC with a little handle. Boop! My next phase is to shut the power off to the water heater. Now we're going to take the pressure off upstairs by opening up the faucets. And what I'm going to do today is valve off the toilet, which is right there, and valve off the vanity right here. Upstairs by opening up the water. Everything's draining down now. Always have your bucket ready. Miss paint, miss paint, miss paint. Another boo-boo. I gotta trim out the trim for my vanity. But since I have my new tool, it's gonna be fun. I'm going to go with the Brass Craft push valves, quarter turns. These things are awesome. And of course, with discussions, why is this one pushing in the wall? I have no idea. We'll have some snap-on discussions. Which are in my truck. I'm going to turn the water back on. And that's it. I just had to valve off 3 things in the bathroom here. Get this bathroom up and running. can see. Now we gotta go in reverse action. Shut down everything that we opened and bleed it out. First thing we're gonna shut off is the hose. The valves are off in the bathroom. I'm gonna head upstairs and close the kitchen sink. We turn the water on real slow. Go check, make sure we got no leaks. No leaky. Perfect. Don't forget we gotta bleed the faucets. And look, clean out your aerators. Hot side too. The toilet's filling up. Make sure this is tight. And it's not. We need a pair of pliers. First you gotta bleed the kitchen. And take out the aerator, of course, which hasn't been cleaned in a long time, so I'm actually curious how it looks. Oh yeah. I don't know what kind of faucet this is, but this seems a little. Oh yeah. I've never seen an aerator like this. There's some debris. What happened here? Is this going to be a leaker now? Now the water goes on full pressure. And that's it. I'm going to build my little box, little trap door for the emergency shutoff valve. Now we're valved off and ready to go to work. We'll see you at the next one.